Hi friends, this is Jay from Cochin, JK Dub Industries Kerala. So today I thought of coming to this video, especially there are a lot of people asking me to do a video on camber manufacturing and agarbatti manufacturing businesses. Camber manufacturing business video already I have done and everybody seen that. And now I am going to tell you how to start a small agarbatti business unit in your home with lesser investment and with high profitable margin. So everybody knows agarbatti in India. It's a well reported, well defined product, and it is going to the market like anything, irrespective of the religious manner. Every religion is using agarbatti. Hindus are using morning, then evening, puja purposes, everything everywhere. Agarbatti is a well defined product. So in India, there are a lot of manufacturers doing the agarbatti business. But in Kerala and South India, the Karnataka state is actually dominating this production of this agarbatti business. If you see that the Indian tax system, agarbatti business government is giving only 5% tax. So they have put it 5% tax by government. The reason why is that government wants to encourage this industry to the higher level. So while it is coming under a small scale business platform, agarbatti business is nowadays coming up like anything. So in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra, and apart from South India, the marketability of this product is very high. Very high. That's what we studied. We studied this particular project in the last couple of years. We do understand that its market is going to open because since there are countries like Sri Lanka, Thailand and China and other countries also, this is a very huge market. You can export this particular product to the other countries also. So now I am coming, before coming to this video, if you are seeing this video, my channel first time, if you are seeing in Facebook, just like and share with your friends. If you are seeing in YouTube, just click that subscribe button, red button. Then beside that there is a bell icon. Click that bell icon. There will be some all option will be there. Click that all option. If you do that, you will get all videos from me. It's like new business ideas, then small scale business manufacturing techniques, then marketability, every kind of video you will get in at the moment itself. When I upload itself, you will get it. Okay, now today I am going to tell you there is a 10-step process. If you follow this 10-step process, you can easily run this agarbatti manufacturing business at your home with a lesser investment, with a high profitability margin. So coming to that point, first point is that market research. So before going to start this business, you just study a marketability and market research. If you, I am not telling to go to other market and study the well. See, go to your local market, native market, and study the product viability. So what is the color, what is the package, how many sticks inside. So go to any supermarket, any shops, just see how many brands are available in the market. So just study the entire marketability of this product. Then you should understand very well that you can market this product in a feasible way. That is the first thing you need to do. Okay. Second thing is that I am coming to the second thing point. Prepare a detailed project. So that is second point. So when you are going to start any business, if especially in a small scale industry, the project report should be pakka and clear. This should be written by you, not by the third parties. You should understand the business in a proper way, and you should write a project report. What is the fixed cost? What is the variable cost? Where is your market? What is the technical analysis? What is the market analysis? Marketability? Everything you should put in your mind. Just write it in a paper. That is called project work. Then that is the first thing. Second thing you should understand. First thing is market research. Second thing is prepare a pakka project. Now the initial basic thing is pakka. Now third thing I am going to tell you, you should find a finance for this project. Okay. Finance project for the project means where you should raise the fund. Either it can come from your pocket or from the third party. Third party means bank or some other vendor or something like that. So you submit your entire project to the bank and you just say that this is a coming under a small scale industry, we are going to start this business and everything you tell, then bank may support. Now there are a lot of loans are available, mudra loans or prime ministers, all never in Kerala government, state government is also putting a lot of finance mechanism. These are the basic project fundraising. You can do that. Okay, so if it is in your pocket, it will be better because you don't need to give any interest on that. So third thing is that whether it requires a license and any other official paperwork. So basically I am telling you, this is comes under a MSME platform. There is no need of ISO standards on this particular project, particular business. You can, if you are starting this business in your home, you can go to the local bodies like Panchayat or municipalities, whoever it is there. You can go there and approach them, and you can take a license. That is the only requirement of this particular business for starting that license. There is not much government policies, complication will not be there in the business. It is a home based business. Government also take into consideration same thing manner only. You can start it like anything. Then fifth point is that set up a business unit, set up a manufacturing unit. That is more important. Where you are going to set up your business unit, whether it is your home, whether you are letting out any shop or something like that. So whatever it is that you should put a proper plan on the infrastructure and your layout and everything. So for using this business, for starting this business, you can have some minimum of 250 to 500 square feet fully covered area where you can put your machinery, raw materials, everything. You can put it there. So you can do that. This is the basic requirement of that. Not much. You don't go for a bigger kind of investment like a big outlet. You want to rent out. Nothing like that. You can simple business. You can start it in your home like that. You can take one of the room of your home. It will be better. You can reduce the cost as it is. So sixth point is machinery and the prices. Okay, so when I coming to say that the agarbatti manufacturing machine, there are a lot of machines available in the market. If you search in Google, you will get lot of hundreds of machines. But I am telling that take a better, very good, excellent machine, because quality machine, because you should not face any kind of maintenance problems. Service also another problem. Where you are purchasing a machine, you should get a service, at least 1 year service should be there. If you are going to far away purchasing, for example, from your location, there 800 900 kilometers away you are purchasing, the service will be a problem. So they cannot come to your home and your place and service it. It's not a practical, it is not feasible. So better you should always go for your nearby vendor. If it is 5,000 rupees extra also, you be there and start a business, because service of this machine is very important. Then quality of the machine is very important. So the prices, when I talk about the prices, there are a lot of machines coming out with different prices. In our local machines are coming from 65,000 rupees. You can get it an agarbatti or fully automatic machine. Nowadays every vendor is importing machine from Vietnam. So Vietnam machines are coming. They're very good machine. Vietnam machines are very good, excellent, very high productivity is there. Then service also, if you are getting service, very excellent. So Indian made machines always have complaints. In my experience, I have seen a lot of things and other things and all. So now you put up better machinery, and with a less amount of investment, you are purchasing a machinery. That is the first step. You are going to put it in the manufacturing unit. Okay. Then I talk about the seventh point. Seventh point is nothing but agarbatti making formula. Now machine is with you. Now you need to make agarbatti. So agarbatti making, there are 2-3 things are very important. One is the raw materials. First raw material is the premix powder. So agarbatti, you are see that black color in that this thing. So that is a powder. So powder format is that. So you should purchase that premix powder. Why I am called premix powder? Earlier, some 20 years back, there are a lot of ingredients are available in this powder. That is, one is charcoal powder. Second thing is jigad powder. Third thing is white chips powder. Then wooden powder. Then kuppam dust. See, these are the powder in a separate proportional way. It is mixing and making it as agarbatti. So that is the tedious problem. You need to buy each and every raw material, coupon dust, then wooden powder, then jigat powder, then charcoal powder. Now you in the market you can get a ready-made mixed powder. That is called a premix powder. So if you are buy now if you are going to buy premix powder, that will be very good. If you are going to mix it, there is a formula. For example, white chips you can put 40 percentage, then jigat powder you can put at 20 percentage, then charcoal powder you can put 20 percentage. Then these are the, if you can mix in a proper way, you can get that premix powder. Then second thing is that now if you put machinery, if you put premix powder, third thing is that you need to have a good fragrance, good perfume, because agarbatti, everybody is it should be a good wonderful smell. People should feel that smell is coming, where it is coming, so that your product will be highlighting those areas. So the perfume will be pakka, because now normally in the market there are a lot of perfumes available. Now pineapple is going, now lavender, then jasmine, sandal, Mysore sandal. There are 100 variety of perfumes are available. Then you can put that, you can select whichever is with your taste, your market taste. You find out, and you can start with this kind of perfumes, whichever you can buy it. Then third thing, eighth point which I am going to tell you is agarbatti making process. So agarbatti making process is very simple. Now you have installed this machinery. Second thing is premix powder. Third thing is that you should take a bamboo stick. Bamboo stick is coming from not from India, it is coming from Vietnam. All 80 to 90% bamboo sticks in India is coming from it's imported this thing only. This is square type bamboo stick is coming, then round type is coming, 8-inch length is coming, 6-inch length is coming, till 18-inch length is coming. So this is the bamboo stick you need to purchase. So then you load that bamboo stick in the machinery, load that premix powder, mix it in a water within in a proper percentage of proportion, but then start the machine. You should get a agarbatti. It is called a raw agarbatti. Raw agarbatti means agarbatti is coming from the machine. Okay, it is not scented one. So you will get a raw agarbatti. Then from that raw agarbatti, you should make it in a 1 kilo pack and just dip it in the perfume. If I am talking about the perfume, nowadays perfume is very costly. Perfume cost is coming from 800 to 2000, 3000 rupees is their quality, especially with the quality. Then it is called, one other oil is DP oil. DP oil, it is diluting the perfume. You can reduce the cost, actually. It is there. So 1:4, 1:6, that ratio people are doing that. As per what kind of smell what the intensity of the smell you wanted, you can mix accordingly that. So that is called raw agarbatti. Now raw agarbatti is coming, 9th point material for raw agarbatti. Now you are manufactured about the raw agarbatti. Then 10th point is now raw agarbatti is come. Then final point is that you should dip in the perfume, then you will get a perfumed agarbatti. Then final stage is coming, packing. So packing, then ready for delivery to the market. So where to, now the 10th point is very, very important, where to sell your product. That is very, very important and very, very crucial in your business, where to sell. You should understand your market you should define your market, where you are going to sell your product. Whether it is in local market, whether it is in state, whether it is your zone, which zone of your country, whether you are going for export. So everywhere there is a market. So if you there are nowadays a lot of techniques for marketing. Then digital market is coming. You can put your advertisement to Facebook, LinkedIn, and lot of social media platforms are coming. Then retail B2C site, business to customer sites are there, Flipkart, Amazon, like that, Deal, lot of sites are there. You should register there. You should project your product in a proper way. Presentation is very, very important. So you can see that whenever you go for a supermarket, wherever it is, you can see hundreds of thousands of agarbattis packets are there. So Agarbatti is selling based on the attraction of the cover. You should make an attractive cover, attractive platform of the cover where you can sell it. It can successfully 100% because nobody will open it and see whether how many sticks are inside. There people are seeing only the packing side. Packing. So whether the attractive pack, people have a consumer habit of picking up easily. So that is a mental this thing. People will always go for an attractive thing. So that thing is now ready for dispatch. If you are going for export, West Indies, then Sri Lanka, then Singapore, Malaysia, then US, then people are basically agarbatti using, Indians people are using maximum agarbattis. Then people, Indians are residing outside places, are a huge market. Then just go for a export import license, and just there are a lot of B2B sites, business to business sites. For example, India Mart, Trade India, Exportation, the lot of sites are there. You can register there, then you can, those people will connect you with the buyer and seller. So there are a lot of plenty of market opportunities there. You should analyze, and you should plug in a proper which is the best platform where you can, with that also comes under your pocket, your financial budget. Then you can do that, this business. So if you follow these 10 steps, you can easily start this business very well in this in your home with a lesser investment, with a higher profit margin. If my experience is that in India, if you sell, there are two way of selling it. One is retail sales, one is wholesale sales. Retail sales, you can is 1 kilo, you will get minimum of 200 to 250 300 rupees, in between that range you will get in 1 kilo. If you are going for wholesale, the quantity will be more and margin will be less. You can take some 150 to 200 kilo per rupees per kilo, you can get it. This is a decent business. You should not anticipate more profit out of this. Is small scale industry. The national average is 18 to 20%. Okay, you should put in your mind in that way. Then as per all business, you should do three four things. One is hard work, then is dedication of the work, then the knowledge, market knowledge, then your market techniques, market strategies. You put up proper business strategies. So if you put across all these things, you can succeed in this field. So there are lot of agarbatti related, lot of sticks are there. I will show you some sticks. You can sell it like this thing in a puja season. Like this small sticks are coming. It is 5 to 6 inches. Like this, you can pack it and you can sell it. This is one way of market. Then normal kind of this is called perfumed. This is perfumed agarbatti. 1 kg, like this package 1 kg you can sell in a wholesale. So this is called kind of no, see this this is see the quality. This is export quality material. Then bigger sticks like this, this is little bit high, and this is 18 inches of agarbatti. You can see, you can make whatever kind of these things. Then related products are very much more than this is called computer sambrani. This is related agarbatti related product. This is called this thing. You can see that this is small this thing. This is called computer sambrani. Like this, cup sambrani is also available. Lot of products you can make related to this industry, and you can make a high profit out of this. So these are the major things, major business ideas where to start. And we JK Dub Industries, if you come to our platform, we will support you in all the way. So we will give you machinery, we will give you proper first quality, then raw materials, bamboo stick, premix powder, then packing cover. We will guide you to how to design your packets, how to market, everything support we will give you in a proper way. So these are the support which we are giving in India. So our company is last 7 years old in this sector. Once again I'm telling you, just subscribe my channel or share it and like it my this channel. So you will get all business ideas, all videos which is posted under me. Now we can go for this video itself. I will show you a mission which is a decent quality mission, where how the manufacturing process is going on. Now video is coming back, so you can see the video. Then it's normal mission. You will get a per day in 1 minute there will be 250 to 300 sticks will be coming. output will be coming. So you can see the machine right now. Just see that. I'll come back to you on this. Just see the video.